Assalamu alaikum all. Welcome to the online class ঘরে থেকে ক্লাস করি. Hope you all are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. My dear student, I miss you a lot. Today I am here to take your online English class. We are passing a very critical moment. In that time we have to study at our home. For that reason we are here to take your online class. Hope you all are benefited by this class. My dear student, everything is possible if we want. If we want in our heart and if we trust to Allah and faith ourselves. You also can in your home you study a lot and lot. Please follow our class and learn your main subject or subject anything you have need. My dear student, I want to take your online English class. It's class 7. Today I have discussed about first and second paper both. We have an item in our first and second paper. Yes, it's letter. I know you all know about letter. In our first paper we have to write informal letter and in our second paper we have to write formal letter. Both letters we have to write and there are similar both of letter, but there are difference between them, so that my dear students who those are weak in English don't know what is the difference between the letter. Today I want to tell you about both letters that you can a good marks in your letter. Do you know what is the marks in a letter? Yes, my dear students, the mark is 10. The 10 marks is not a little number. If you write the letter in a proper way, you can get a good number. Before I start my lesson, I want to discuss about it. My dear student, here I have written some questions for you that are cleared your idea. For both good and weak students, sometimes I want to talk to you in Bengali. My dear student, now listen to me carefully and watch me. Here I have write a question. Definition of a letter or what is letter? Letter কি? লেটারের সংজ্ঞা। আমরা যদি বাংলায় বলি চিঠি কি, চিঠিটা বলতে তোমরা কি বুঝো? হয়তো বা অনেকেই বলবে চিঠি হচ্ছে নিজের ভাব প্রকাশ করার একটা মাধ্যম। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, হেয়ার আই ওয়ান্ট টু গিভ ইউ এ ডেফিনেশন। A letter is a way of communication. অর্থাৎ চিঠি একটি যোগাযোগের মাধ্যম। আমরা যদি আরেকটু ভালো করে বলি, a letter is a message from one to another. চিঠি হচ্ছে একজনের মাধ্যমে আরেকজনের কাছে খবর বা বার্তা প্রেরণ। My dear student, listen to me carefully. What is message? A message can be write in your hand or can be printed or can be composed. So, my dear student, একটা চিঠি আমরা হাতেও লিখতে পারি, কম্পিউটারেও কম্পোজ করতে পারি কিংবা ছাপাতে পারি। A letter must have a message. একটা চিঠিতে অবশ্যই তোমাদের একটা বার্তা থাকতে হবে। মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, যখন আমরা কাউকে চিঠি পাঠাই সেখানে কিছু ইনফরমেশন থাকে কিংবা রিকোয়েস্ট থাকে কিংবা আমাদের কোনো সাজেশন থাকে। সো মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, ডু ইউ নো দ্য কাইন্ডস অফ সেন্ট লেটার? মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, today I am writing the kinds of letter. There are two kinds of letter. There are two kinds of letter. It's number one, formal letter, and number two, informal letter. Yeah, my dear student, formal letter usually we used in our schools, college or business, and informal letter we used in our personal lives to write our brother, father, friends, etc. So my dear student, I think you have understood what I am saying. My dear student, how many parts in a letter? Many of us don't know how many parts of a letter. Every letter has 6 parts. My dear student, now I am writing. Please notice that 6 parts in a letter. What are they? They are heading, subject, greetings, body, subscription, and closing with signature. Both formal and informal letter have 6 parts, but sometimes it refers to us another way. So my dear student, I have discussed 3 questions. What is letter? Kinds of letter. How many parts in a letter? Formal and informal letter. Formal and informal letter. What is formal and informal letter mean? In a Bengali, formal letter mean anushtanik chithi. In Bengali, informal letter mean onanushtanik chithi. So I have write and definition in formal letter. Formal letter is which are used in formal activities like schools, business, etc. In formal letter is which are used in our personal life like father, brother, friends, etc. So my dear student, I think you have a clear idea about letter. Now I want to write a letter that you can understand where I use, which I use and what is used for. Here I have written a structure of a letter. My dear student, listen to me carefully and watch me. First of all, I have to write headline or heading. In the heading, I have to write the date and the address of the recipient. অর্থাৎ প্রথমেই আমাকে লিখতে হবে তারিখ এবং যার কাছে আমি আমার দরখাস্ত বা আমার চিঠিটি লিখব তার ঠিকানা। সো টুডে 30 September 2020, the head master Shubhadda High School, Keranigঞ্জ, Dhaka. Then I have to write the subject. If you write the letter in your computer or your mobile phone, you have to write the subject in bold. And if you write the letter in your hand, you have underlined the subject. So my dear student, listen carefully. Suppose I am writing a letter about leave of absence or delay find. In your final syllabus, you have the delay find. So I want to write the delay find letter. Subject prayer for a delay find. And I have to underline the subject. My dear student, notice you have to underline the subject যাতে করে এই সাবজেক্টটা শিক্ষকের নজরে আসে। আর যদি আমরা একটা চিঠি কম্পোজ করি বা কম্পিউটারে লিখি সেক্ষেত্রে আমাকে সাবজেক্টটা মোটা অক্ষরে লিখে দিতে হবে। Then I have write the greetings and usually we used dear or honorable. We have here used dear, sir or madam. Dear sir, I am na. My dear student, notice that on behalf but my dear student, you have to write the main thing of a letter. Yeah, it's a body of a letter. This body must be clearly, shortly write a paragraph. So my dear student, দেখো এখন তোমাদেরকে যেটা লিখতে হবে সেটা হচ্ছে একটি চিঠির মূল অংশ, সেটা হচ্ছে চিঠির গর্ভাংশ। অর্থাৎ তুমি কি চাচ্ছ, কি জানাতে চাচ্ছ, কি পেশ করতে চাচ্ছ সেটা তোমাকে জানাতে হবে। তাহলে আমি কিভাবে লিখব? খুব সংক্ষিপ্তভাবে, কিন্তু যাতে করে আমার মনের ভাবটা সম্পূর্ণই প্রকাশ করতে পারি সেভাবেই লিখতে হবে, সহজ, সাবলীল এবং সংক্ষিপ্ত। So with due respect, I am a student of class 7 of your school. My father is in financial hardship, so that I could not pay my tuition fees for the month of June, but my father got his salary now, and I want to give the tuition fees only. এতটুকু লিখে আমাকে থামতে হবে, জাস্ট বিকজ এখানে আমার গর্ভাংশে আমি কি চাই সেটা আমার লেখা হয়ে গেল। দেন আমি এটাকে একটা সুন্দর আন্তরিকতা দিয়ে শেষ করব। দেখো, মাই ডিয়ার স্টুডেন্ট, I therefore pray and hope that you would kindly permit me the fees only and oblige me thereby. Then my student, we enclose this letter in a sweet sincerity. Now I have writing here my signature with sincerity, yours obedient pupil, then your name Najma Haq. So my dear student, here I am discussing about a formal letter. What should a formal letter need? A formal letter must be right the left corner of your script. First of all, you have to write the date and the address of the recipient. Then you have write the subject, what is the subject, and underline the subject. Then you have the greetings, dear sir or dear madam. Then you have write the body of the letter. Then you have an enclose with sincerity and superscription, and last you have the signature of your own. In this way we have write a formal letter. If we write this letter in our exam, then no number marks never be cut. My dear student, everything is possible if we practice. Practice makes a man perfect. We are not perfect from our born, but if we try and try, then we can be perfect. So my dear student, from my lesson you have to this in your home more and more, and then I have some exercise for you. Here I have a syllabus from your book. My dear student, take your book or take your script paper, write the exercise. My dear student, in your final examination you have 4 formal letter and 4 informal letter. Because of COVID-19 we cannot take our lesson regularly, but we have to study at your home. So, my dear student, please stay at your home, and there are 4 letters which are involved in your syllabus. It's about remission of Delphine, half holiday, morning school, and organizing a debating club. There are informal letters in your final syllabuses are write a letter to your younger brother and sister, practical hints on how to improve proficiency in English. Write a letter to your friend thanking him for his hospitality. Writing a letter to your friend inviting him to your birthday party, and write a letter to your friend from your elder sister's marriage ceremony. These formal and informal letters are based your final examination. So, my dear student, I hope you all are understand my class and you all are benefited by my class. If you are understand the class, please practice it in your home. Stay home and keep safe. My dear student, nothing is possible. Again I say, please stay at your home and read more and more so that you can purpose yourself, development yourself and benefits by yourself. Assalamu alaikum. Thank you.